Happy Monday MAST Family.
I'm Solomon.
And I'm Jada.
And we are your student news anchors at MAST High School on Monday mornings.
Remember, all prize winners from school-wide meetings will be picked up right after our announcements. All prize winners must pick up their prize by the end of the day or you will forfeit your winnings.
Congratulations to the winners, Lauren, Will, and Tatiana, for winning MAST morning meeting prizes. Remember, all you have to do is be on time for first period and sign in to the bit.ly link using the link bit.ly/MAST Monday morning meetings.
Birthday shoutouts. Remember to use the bit.ly link to let us know when your birthday is so we can highlight it in our weekly shoutouts, bit.ly/purpleprince shoutouts. On the 29th, we have Jetson's birthday, and on the 21st, we have Rebecca's birthday.
Don't forget to rep your MAST swag on March 23rd, 2023. Hashtag Let's Go MAST.
Let's go, Panthers! Are you ready for the annual Students versus Staff competition? Scholars can sign up individually for the badminton game. Scholars can also create a team of 5 in order to play in a basketball game. The winning team for basketball goes against the staff for the final competition championship.
All students who receive permission forms must submit them to AP Slinger or Miss Middleton, along with a down payment or full payment of $100 for our annual PEEP, Poconos Educational Excursion trip. The trip will take place on March 31st through April 1st. MAST wishes you a happy Ramadan Kareem. This year, Ramadan is expected to begin this week on Wednesday, March 22nd, 2023, and concludes on Friday, April 21st, 2023.
The Deputy Superintendent is visiting to MAST on Tuesday, March 28th, 2023. And the Chancellor visited to MAST this Thursday, March 23rd, 2023. Let's show them the MAST pride.
English SAT prep sessions are every Tuesday in room 208 with Mr. Mazzoli from 3:15 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. Hashtag PSAT and SAT Day at MAST.
SYAP is back, and the next Summer Youth Employment Meeting will take place this Friday in room 211 immediately after school at 2 p.m. with Mr. Tilson. Need more info? Check with AP Slinger or Miss Law. MAST scholars in the Wharton School of University of Pennsylvania's Personal Finance course will visit the campus on Friday, March 31st with Miss Malcolm. Be sure to submit your permission slips.
Congratulations to the newly elected Vice President Jada B. and President Jabari B. of the MAST Culinary Club.
Do you need help in geometry? Geo tutoring is every Tuesday with Miss Ishraf in room 214 at 3:15 p.m.
The new basketball club meets every weekday from Monday through Friday from 7:40 to 8:20 a.m. in the main gym with Mr. G. Go ball.
Swimming and lifeguard training sessions are from 3:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. every Wednesday and Thursday.
Are you interested in learning to play chess or participate in trivia tournament? Join an after-school club that meets every Wednesday at 3:15 p.m. to 4:15 p.m. in room 223 and Fridays during period 5 in room 223 with Mr. McCoy. Remember to check out our Instagram page for the dates of all PSAL games.
Please be reminded that the PM schools and after-school tutorings are available from 3:15 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. On Mondays, we have Mr. McCoy doing science in room 223. On Tuesdays, we have Miss E doing math in room 204. On Wednesdays, we have Miss Whitehall doing ELA in room 219. And lastly, on Thursdays, we have Mrs. Santoro doing social studies in room 107. All students who are interested in the CSEP Fordham University program, please confirm that you submitted your application with Dr. E, who will be here on Thursday and Friday for individual check-in meetings.
The last senior dues payment of $40 is due this Tuesday, March 21st. Senior prom at the castle, June 7, 2023. Cash and money order payments only. See Miss Middleton in room 219 or AP Slinger in room 217 to make any payments or have any concerns. Massive shout out to our sister school Hart for collaborating with MAST so our scholars could participate in the college fair last Wednesday. Ready to be amazed as the Performing Arts Department will present the Black History Month and the Women's History Expo this Friday, March 24th, 2023. Don't miss out!
Parent-teacher conference is next week, Thursday, March 23rd, 2023, in the evening from 5:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. and on Friday, March 24th, 2023, in the afternoon from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. So be sure not to miss it.
Students will be dismissed at 12 p.m. after our show on Friday. Attendance is mandatory on Friday. Be sure to inform your parents. Meetings will be held virtually via Zoom. Your parents should make an appointment through Teacher Reacher in advance.
FAFSA sessions are back. Meetings are every Friday at 2 p.m. in room 204. Make sure you complete your financial application in order to attend the college or university that you are accepted to.
All Torah College Spanish 1 course scholars must report to room 116 at Hart's High School on Tuesdays at 3:15 p.m. and all college level nutrition scholars must report to room 116 on Thursdays in collaboration with Hart High. Are you interested in auditioning to be our school mascot? Sign up using bit.ly/massmascot spring 2023. Your first job will be to perform at our students versus staff game on April 5th. Good luck!
Next week on Saturday, March 25th, 2023, there will be no Saturday school. Be on the lookout for more makeup sessions. The makeup session will take place on Monday, March 27th in room 204 at 3:15 p.m.
ENL, ELA, Regents Prep is every Friday at 2 p.m. sharp with Miss Marston for all registered students in room 207.